Good morning. Welcome to CurrencyChange Daily Markets Update on Tuesday, the 5th of November 2013. My name is Laurent Guilbault, Managing Director at CurrencyChange.com, your low-cost solution for international payments. UK service PMI and the US non-manufacturing ISM will be the key point to monitor for today in the market. In the US, the ISM surveys have also been pointing to stronger growth than that seen in the official numbers in the past couple of releases. Friday's stronger than expected manufacturing ISM suggests that the government shutdown had less of an impact on business confidence than it had on consumer confidence. Consequently, there is a high probability of today's outturn being stronger than expected, which would then strengthen the dollar. The US Treasury Department said it will borrow about 13% more this quarter than it projected 3 months ago because of a high estimate for the country's cash balance on December the 31st. Issuance of net marketable debt will be $266 billion for October to December compared to $235, so it's higher. At the end of December, the Treasury will have to raise again $140 billion in cash. So the debt is clearly still going up in the US despite the problem of the debt ceiling. In Europe, the euro strengthens from a 6-week low against the dollar after a report showed manufacturing in the currency bloc expanded for a 4th month in October. The 17-nation currency advanced for the first time in 3 days versus the yen, amid speculation that the ECB will refrain from cutting interest rates this week, and after data showed manufacturing activities in the region improved. That's the key point. Will ECB cut rates or not this Thursday? That's the thing to have a look at. With some forecasters pointing to the possibility of interest rate cuts at this week's ECB meeting on Thursday, there will be interest in whether today's economic forecast from the European Commission show any more confidence in recovery, particularly in Draghi's speech this afternoon. In the UK services PMI will be the major focus to have a look at for sterling. The UK services PMI index fell last month at 60.3, bringing to a halt 8 consecutive rise since the start of the year. In Q3, we observed that CurrencyChange, the PMI surveys pointed to stronger growth than the official Q3 GDP report, but this divergence might get to an end in Q4, so we should see more progression of GDP and PMI in line. In terms of live exchange rate, we can trade for you now. Sterling dollar 159.67, strengthened yesterday on the back of some positive construction data that we had. Sterling euro, we can trade at 118.40. It has packed up 40 pips since yesterday evening, showing the pound is starting to strengthen a bit. Sterling Australian dollar 168.48. Sterling New Zealand dollar 192.68. In terms of economic agenda, UK time, we're going to have a 9:30. The sterling market services PMI expected at 59.8. At 10 o'clock, the Euro PPI expected minus 0.7. 1:30, a speech from Draghi on the economic outlook. At 3 o'clock, US dollar ISM manufacturing PMI expected at 54. If you require further information, please visit now CurrencyChange.com. Opening an account is free with us, or you can call us on 0207 373 2686. Have a nice day.